Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can fix blurry wallpaper and display and on your window. So let's start the video guys. Okay, so first we need to go in that advanced setting. So you need to search for advanced system setting here. Search advanced system setting and it will be come up. Just click on it. Now we need to go in settings tab, go to the settings here. Under the okay, in visual effects we need to select that adjust the base appearance, okay, and just apply it and then okay. Okay, here also you need to click okay. Now we need to go in device manager, search here for device manager, okay, and under the display adapter you need to select your display driver. Here the display driver I have Intel, and this is a basic Microsoft display adapter. Okay, so you can update both. You need to just right click on it, go to the update driver and search for automatically drivers, and okay, this driver for already installed, my driver is already updated, so it up to date. Or you can search for computer. Next, it is up to date. Okay, you need to update your all display driver from here. Then come to the search bar and go for clear text type. Okay, clear type text. Okay, if you're having problem about the blur text, you can do these settings. Okay, just make sure this turn on. Next, select first. Okay, keep middle first. Okay, next, and just finish it. Okay, so this is for text blur. If you're having problem about the blurring text, then you can do setting this. Okay, now we need to go in wallpaper settings. Just right click on here in display and go to the personalizations, and here go to the background and make sure you choose this option, which is fill, fit or fill. Okay, you can choose fill. Okay, and now we need to go in display settings. Okay, so go to the settings here. Under the settings we need to go in, you can search for display. Okay, display settings here. Here the scale you need to make it 100%, sure, make sure it is 100%. And resolution, you can, this is a recommended but it is maximum for me, but you can choose your maximum recommendations. Okay, then you need to restart your PC. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.